Alright, look at GoPro, guy. Right now, I don't want to put it in. Okay. I don't want to put it in, it's stuck. So, what's wrong with GoPro? Come on, guy, you make camera only, but you cannot make battery. I give you guys 2 stars. Look at any. I go online, and I go on the YouTube. Anybody have problem? I don't want to put it in. How much? A year? Not much. A year at this maybe 10 hours on videoing. Look at this problem. It's from GoPro. Come on, man, GoPro. Look at this. Maybe we'll put some tape here or something. I don't want to put it in. I think next time I use. Okay, next time I use, I put some tape in here. And then try to be safety. So we can pull it out. Right here and see what happens. Okay, any longer. So we can put some tape there. Then be safety. If they put it in, I can pull out the tape. And the tape holding right here. Let me see. Right here, right? Let's put some tape. Man, look right here, see what happens. See? And then don't close the door, don't use the door. You cannot video underwater anyway, so don't use the door. So the heat cannot overheat. What's wrong with you, GoPro? Maybe do like this, huh? You never know. And don't use the door. And cut right here. What's wrong with your auto? You cannot make battery, man. You suck. See, I cut right here and see what happens. See, cut right there. See, make it longer so you can hold. Look at it. And this one, they make it smaller. Try. If you're not working, man, I'm dead. Gone. Let's see. Let's see. Let's turn it on. Yep. Turn on. Okay, and pull. Look at this. Oh shit, it's hot. But pull. But I don't trust it. Some guy make a hole here for the air come out. Put some tape here so you can hold, you know. And don't use the door. Come on. We go to third world country right now. American cannot make good battery. What's wrong with GoPro? Man, I like GoPro, but I don't use a lot because I use my phone right now. Everything is by the phone. The GoPro. Oh, man. Look how funny like this. You walk around like this. Mickey Mouse, man. Look, shit. That means when it's cool. Imagine when it's hot and see what happens. So I have to do 2 of them right now. See, 2 of them. Put one here. Center. GoPro, you got 2 stars from me, man. Look at that. 2 stars from me. GoPro, you got 2 stars only. You're a Mickey Mouse company now. See, I love to modify something. But still, you know, stupid to do like this. And don't use the door when you use GoPro. Look at this, stuck in here. So you can pull out easy. It's okay. That's it. How to modify damaged GoPro. Defective, man. defective. How can you modify this like this? See, it takes me 2 minutes only to take it out, but I don't trust GoPro no more. Pull out. Using tape. I have nothing to do, that's why. But it not make sense. GoPro man to modify it. I got you 2-star play.